Testing the 4K camera. 4K Ultimate. Okay, song will be playing through my subs. I can't be turning them all the way up because I have to still break them in, and this is what I could be able to do.
But I got a race. I call my clientele. I'm sorry for the wait. All these pounds in my trap, I feel like I'm out of shape. These bitches love me, man. I'm drinking muddy, man. Drop a 4 in a ginger ale, it taste like bubbly, man. Young nigga hit a lick, now you can't tell me.
Paper out your
I don't get mad, I just get paid. Smelling like a pound, walking in the bank. I been smoking weed before the fifth grade. This a man's world, bitch, stay in your place. Shitting on your favorite rapper, did it by mistake. Excuse me. Went and got a match, went and got a maid. Now I ain't got a deal, but I got a race. I call my clientele, I'm sorry for the I feel like I'm out of shape. Bitch, love me, man. I'm drinking muddy, man. Drop a 4 in a ginger ale, it taste like bubbly, man. Young nigga hit a lick, now you can't tell me nothing, man. Pulled up in a Porsche, pulled off in a
Yeah, not much flexing.
Yesterday, you should have seen her face.
Pull up in the Porsche, that bitch to a name.
See ya, brother. Yeah, so trying out the new 4K camera, and this sounds hard. So I custom painted the box to match the interior color, you know? So it's really good. That sounds really good. So hopefully you enjoyed it. That's not the max. So got two 15s, two 15 Memphis BRs with a Memphis SR 2400 watt amp, mono amp. So that's what kind of amps and subs I'm running.
You could check my fingers. I don't talk on phone. Black coffee, sipping, chilling, thinking. I don't talk on phone. Bad bitches blow my line up, banging. I don't talk on phone. Just got a text it back, check on my baby. I don't talk on phone.